You're sitting across from a solar salesperson. The numbers look good, the presentation was slick. Something in your gut says wait. Listen to that feeling, because right now you're potentially about to sign a contract worth $20,000 to $30,000 with someone you just met. Let me show you the 7 warning signs that separate legitimate contractors from scammers who'll take your money and disappear. Red flag number 1. The sign today or lose this deal pressure. Now, this is the oldest trick in the book. The salesperson gives their pitch, then drops the bomb. This special pricing is only available if you sign today. They'll claim slots are filling up fast. It's all designed to stop you from thinking clearly. You're committing to a 25 to 30-year relationship with this company. Any contractor who expects you to make that decision after one conversation isn't interested in your best interests. Walk away from anyone who won't let you sleep on it. Red flag number 2. The word free appears anywhere. Free solar panels. Sounds incredible, right? But here's the truth. Nothing about solar is free. When someone promises free solar, they're talking about a lease or power purchase agreement. The solar company owns the panels. You pay them monthly instead of paying your utility. The catch? You don't own the system. So when someone uses the word free, ask directly, will I own the system? A straight yes means they're being honest. Anything else means you're being sold a lease disguised as something better. Red flag number 3. Everything's on a tablet. Nothing is on paper. The salesperson shows beautiful graphics and impressive numbers on a tablet, but when you ask for a written quote to review later, they get a bit squirrely. They'll say, well, we'll email you the contract after you approve the design. Now this is a massive red flag. Legitimate contractors leave you with detailed written proposals. What panels are they using? What's the exact make and model? What inverters, how many kilowatts, what warranties, what projected energy production? All of this should be spelled out clearly on paper or PDF. If someone won't provide this, they're hiding something. Don't accept verbal promises or flashy presentations. Insist on comprehensive written documentation. Red flag number 4. Their savings projections sound too good to be true. Solar quotes project savings over 25 to 30 years. Now those projections depend on one assumption: how much electricity rates will increase annually. Now most states see increases of about 2 to 3% per year, but some contractors project 5, 6, or even 8% to make their systems look more valuable. But now here's what this does. Say you're paying $1,440 yearly. At 3% annual increase, you'll spend about $60,000 over 25 years. At an inflated 7% increase, that jumps to $100,000. Suddenly, their $30,000 system looks like an incredible bargain against a problem that doesn't actually exist. Ask explicitly, what annual electricity rate increase are you using? If they say anything above 4% without solid local data to back it up, they're inflating the numbers. Red flag number 5. They can't prove they are licensed and certified. Solar contractors need proper credentials: a business license, state contractor's license, liability insurance, and ideally certification from NABCEP, the North American Board of Certified Energy Practitioners. So here's what you do. Before signing anything, verify credentials independently. Go to your state's Contractor Licensing Board website and look up their license number. Visit the NABCEP website. Check the Better Business Bureau. Read Google reviews. If a contractor gets defensive when you ask for license numbers or proof of insurance, that tells you everything. Legitimate companies are proud of their credentials and hand you copies without hesitation. Red flag number 6. They showed up at your door unannounced. Be extremely cautious of door-to-door solar salespeople. They create artificial urgency and pressure. You didn't seek them out. They caught you off guard, and now they're trying to get you to commit before you have time to think. The Federal Trade Commission tracks solar complaints. Complaints containing solar panels jumped from 630 in 2018 to over 5,300 by 2023. That's an increase of more than 746%. Many involve door-to-door sales tactics. Legitimate solar companies rely on referrals, online marketing, and scheduled consultations. If someone knocks on your door about solar, thank them politely and tell them you'll do your own research. Red flag number 7, they want a huge chunk of money up front. Normal payment structure, you pay a 10 to 20% deposit when you sign the contract. The bulk comes after installation is complete and the system passes inspection. Now some contractors offer zero down financing where you pay nothing until everything's operational. Scammers demand 50% or more upfront before they've done any work. They claim they need cash to order materials, and they take your money and vanish. Now this scam is becoming depressingly common. Never pay more than 20% upfront. If a contractor is pushing large sums before they've installed anything, walk away immediately. how you actually protect yourself. So now you know the 7 red flags. Here's your action plan. Get at least 3 quotes from different contractors. This shows you what's normal versus what's suspicious. Platforms like A1 SolarStore makes this easier. They connect you with verified, background-checked contractors in your area. You tell them what you need and get multiple free quotes from vetted professionals. No hidden fees, no obligations. You compare and choose what works for you. Verify credentials independently. Check state license databases, NABCEP certifications, and Better Business Bureau ratings. 30 minutes of research can save you $30,000. Demand detailed written proposals. If it's not in writing, it doesn't exist. Never rush. Any contractor pressuring you for quick signatures cares more about their commission than your well-being. The right solar contractor will earn your trust through transparency. The wrong one will try to earn your signature through pressure. Now you know how to spot the difference.